Namaste, Assalamualaikum, Sat Shri Akal, and good evening, everybody. Your Excellency, High Commissioners, Lord Ladies and Gentlemen, it's a real privilege to be here. I just want to say a couple of things, first of all. When Anthony said earlier, no photo, what he meant is no photos of yourself. We're politicians, so do take photos. But look, Diwali is a celebration that many of our communities celebrate, and to come together in this way at this time, I really want to thank all the committee and the Labour Asian Society for all the work they do and bringing us all together in this way. Thank you for everything you do. And you know, somebody said, you'd be tired. The other than so thank you for everything you continue to do and you've done over the years for that community. Jazz touched on a really important point. So, you know, there's less people than that who knows how, ultimately the story, where do you
Seema, I remember those days. And I remember as a bus conductor to go to the demonstrations and fight for what we call the equality in the society. Long struggle, we are still filled with a different form of racism, different ways of promoting inequality in the society. We are still fighting, and we will carry on fighting under the leadership of Seema Malhotra and the next Labour government at power. Not only the present government, next government at power. I know that there will be a food very soon, and we will have a break. But before we have a break, I would like to acknowledge the presence of, from India, a very prominent artist and a promoter of art and culture in India, holding a very senior position, Professor Alkia Punjala, chairperson of Punjab Institute. I would like to ask, there's a message from the Prime Minister. I will ask Uday and Nagaraj to come and read the message, and then I'm sure the Seema will be still here to receive that with us. Uday.
To live in the United Kingdom and go back to work for my government. And thank the British government for hosting all of us Ugandan Asians who are now part of your community here, and we thank, and of course